How to delete your store on Shopify. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that in a few clicks how you can just delete your store on Shopify. So first you have to click this settings option, and once you click this settings option, just go to this plans option, and here your plans will pop up over here for you. Just choose the store that you want to delete and click deactivate trial. I'm on the trial plan, but if you're on a plan you can just click deactivate that trial. You have to select a reason, and you are going to give them a reason for that. I'm not making enough sales or anything, other reasons or anything, and you just choose I already have an existing store to focus on, and click continue, and just enter your password and click deactivate store, and your account will be deleted in no time. So that's the process to delete your store on Shopify. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.